Main accused in the murder of journalist Mukesh Chandrakar, whose body was found in a septic tank in Chhattisgarh last week. He has now finally been arrested from Hyderabad last night. He was a mastermind and is a distant relative and a contractor. He had been on the run since the incident came to light. And to get to know more on this, Uma with us. Uma, it is, the main accused in the case was apparently hiding at his driver's residence in Hyderabad.
Yes, indeed. I have spoken to the Telangana DGP, Mr. Jitender, who confirmed that Mr. Suresh Chandrakar, the contractor who has been named as accused in the murder of the journalist Mukesh Chandrakar, he had come to Hyderabad along with his driver, and we do understand that he was staying at the residence of the driver possibly, and subsequently had left that place, and that is when the Chhattisgarh police, rather the special investigation team, seems to have arrested him. That's what the DGP of Telangana has told us. What we do know is that about 200 CCTV cameras were tracked, and about 300 mobile phone calls were in fact tracked by the SIT, which was probing into this, into trying to search the accused. The other accused in this particular case, Ritesh as well as Dinesh Chandrakar, both brothers of the contractor, have both been arrested as well. And we do know that Ritesh was arrested from the Raipur airport, and Dinesh and one more person who has been identified as Ramtek, he has also been arrested from Bijapur. And you would recall that Mr. Mukesh Chandrakar's body was found in a septic tank in a field belonging to Mr. Suresh Chandrakar. And what the police and investigators are telling us is that this is a conspiracy that was hatched, in fact, by Mr. Suresh Chandrakar. And Mukesh Chandrakar, of course, had been exposing a corruption in a road laying case as a contractor, which in fact had aired on NDTV on the 25th of December, and he was in fact a contributor to the NDTV news channel.
Right, of course, and that had led to an inquiry, of course, in the case. And let's just get you more details on this with my colleague Anurag Dwari. But before that, let's just get your reaction from the SIT.
के द्वारा पत्रकार साथी मुकेश चंद्राकर के हत्या की घटना में शामिल फरार आरोपी सुरेश चंद्राकर की देर रात हैदराबाद में हिरासत में लिया गया। साथ ही साथ इस प्रकरण में अब तक सुरेश चंद्राकर के अलावा 3 आरोपियों की गिरफ्तारी पहले की जा चुकी है, जिसमें रितेश चंद्राकर, दिनेश चंद्राकर एवं महेंद्र रामटेके शामिल हैं। साथ ही साथ मामले में विस्तृत पूछताछ की जा रही है।
Formed to arrest Suresh Chandrakar, 11-member SIT headed by IPS Mayank Gujar, and they have reviewed around 200 CCTV cameras, more than 300 mobile numbers were tracked, and after that the police arrested Suresh Chandrakar from Hyderabad. He was hiding at his driver's place. His bank accounts were frozen, illegal construction owned by Suresh Chandrakar were demolished, and now the police they have arrested Suresh Chandrakar from Hyderabad, and he will be soon brought back to Bijapur.